Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can remove your watch history on your Hulu TV. So if you want to remove the watch history, you can simply scroll down and go to where the watch history is. So for example, on my profile, if I scroll down, this is where all of my watch history is showing up. So this is where the continue watching is. So this shows that I was watching this show. So this is my watch history. And if I want to remove this from my watch history, what I can do is I can simply click on these three dots, and after that I can simply go down to remove, and when I click remove, it is going to remove my watch history, remove from watch history, as well as it is also going to remove my progress as well. So if Hulu TV was tracking the progress for this show that I have watched it up till that particular point, it is also going to reset that as well. So if I click OK, this is going to be removed from my Hulu TV homepage. So this is how you remove your watch history on Hulu. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.